You've probably been told cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. It's a classic warning from parents and teachers everywhere. But here's the truth. That pop you hear is just gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid. Multiple studies have shown zero connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One doctor even cracked his own knuckles on one hand for over 60 years and had no arthritis in either hand. Yes, it might annoy people around you, but it won't damage your joints. So next time someone tells you to stop, you can set the record straight. Comment below, what's a fact you believed way too long?